The xylem is involved in the transpiration stream, moving water and ions up the plant only. So the xylem has cells joined end to end to form a continuous column. It has pits in the lignified walls which allow water to flow sideways, and lignin is deposited in spiral patterns which allows flexibility and strength, and also it's a waterproof material so there's less water loss, and it's a hollow tube with no living contents and end walls broken down, so this prevents the water column breaking. Lignin is a tough substance which thickens the xylem cell wall, and it waterproofs the vessel so cell contents decay to create a hollow tube, and it strengthens the xylem wall to prevent the xylem collapsing, and as it's deposited in spiral patterns, this prevents the stem from breaking. There are two types of plants, monocots and dicots. Monocots have parallel veins, whereas dicots have branching veins. Monocots have narrow long leaves, dicots have broad leaves. In monocots, the vascular bundles are scattered. In dicots, the vascular bundles are in rings. And dicots are mainly flowering plants. The phloem is involved in translocation and moving assimilates such as sucrose or amino acids up and down the plant. It's made of companion cells and sieve tube elements. The sieve tube elements have few organelles, elongated cells, and little cytoplasm. This reduces the resistance to flow. It has cross walls called sieve plates, which are perforated with pores to allow sap to flow, for example in mass flow. It has companion cells, which have many and large mitochondria that produce ATP in cellular respiration for the active loading into sieve tubes. This process is also helped by many ribosomes and co-transporter proteins in the companion cells. The phloem also has a plasmodesmata, which is gaps between the cell walls which allow flow of substances such as sucrose, amino acids between companion cells and sieve tube. A source is a site where assimilates are produced more than used and are loaded into the sieve tube elements. A sink is a site where assimilates are used for growth or storage more than they're produced and are unloaded. The arrangement in a root provides strength to withstand pulling forces, and there is made out of the xylem in an X with the phloem around it and pericycle around the endodermis, which is basically meristem tissue inside. The arrangement in the stem is to provide strength and flexibility to withstand bending forces. So the xylem is always on top of phloem, and the collenchyma is for flexible support, and the sclerenchyma is for structural support, and parenchyma is for packing, so basically storage. And you have cambium between the xylem and phloem, which is meristem cells. This is the arrangement in the leaf, and the parenchyma here is for water storing.
And that's the structure of xylem and phloem. Thanks for watching.